Hey everyone, not sure why the camera didn't come all the way close, but that's okay. I could always edit it later. Just wanted to show you my brushes that I got. I used this one last week. I used this one last week. So this one is, I'm not sure why the camera's going over here, but you have your concealer, foundation. I mean, it worked fine. Fan for highlighter and highlighting brush. I'm gonna try this one today. This is the eyeshadow. Supposedly this is the eyeshadow and this is for the contour, but it's really small. And then you have your eyebrow with the spoolie and the comb. And then you have your eyeliner. I love these kind for gel. And then that one's for liquid. And they got, which honestly I don't like, it's too dense. So I feel like it's not smoothing the product out, it's actually removing the product. That's how I feel about this. I was really excited about it because it was a hard, but anyway, okay, so I'm doing the last one. I'm gonna use this for the inner corner, but let's start out with the other side. I'm putting the indigo on the lid right here. And I did put a purple crayon for my eye, but then I realized I didn't put a primer, so I just put it over it. Let's see how well this picks up. Because honestly, I feel like it's not really picking up. And I don't think that's because of Sugarpill. I think it's because of the actual brush. This is really pretty. It's definitely an indigo. It's like a blue with like a pinkish purpley shimmer. It's real pretty. I'm gonna go into this, what looks like kind of like a teal blue, kind of, or maybe a turquoise. I'm gonna put that right here. Okay. And then I just went into my stash and just got a contour brush for this dark blue color. This color is also kind of like a teal. Kind of like a teal blue. At least that's how it's coming off on me. Oh, I am having trouble with this, so maybe it is the eyeshadow. Because this is different brush. Not that it's the best quality. Decided to bring that blue color in. Like I said, it's kind of like more like a teal blue. Okay. So let me finish my makeup and I'll be right back. Hey everyone, so this is the finished look. Um, I use Love Bug, which I love. And then I just used the blush from the palette. I put some of the eyeshadow on the bottom, and I keep forgetting to put a little bit right here of the highlighter. Hopefully I'll remember to do that before I take pictures. I just wanted to quickly tell you my hair is growing. I'm so happy. I could feel the weight of it because I lost so much hair because of bleaching. So I could really feel the weight of the hair right now, of my hair growing back. I still see thinning though, like right in the front, right here. I see some thinning, where you could see the scalp. So, but it's growing. I could feel the weight of it. That makes me so happy. And as it keeps growing, I'll even it out. Right now, it's just a scraggly mess. But as it keeps growing, I'll start to trim it and even it out. So anyway, I will see you guys next week. Mwah. Bye.